Across jurisdictions, FIs are racing to meet fast approaching common reporting standard deadlines, many of which fall at the end of this month. Firm domiciled in jurisdictions like Argentina, Chile, China, the Channel Islands, and Switzerland have one more week to report. CRS requires financial institutions to identify and report accounts held by non-resident individuals and entities to their local tax authorities who then share that data globally. So Sean, what are some best practices for how to identify a reportable account?
Well, it all kind of starts with determining the account holder's tax residency. If they're a tax resident in a CRS participating jurisdiction, that account may be reportable. So to identify, first the firm will need to collect and validate a self-certification form. These forms include key details like the account holder's name, address, tax identification number, birthplace, and country of tax residence. And for entity accounts, classification is critical because not all entities are reportable. So you'll first need to determine whether the entity is a financial institution, an active, or a passive non-financial entity. And if they're a passive non-financial entity, you'll need to identify any controlling persons who may also then be reportable.
And don't forget other parts of due diligence. For pre-existing accounts, review for indicators of foreign tax residency. For new accounts, rely on self-certification and supporting documents. Also, identify transaction activity and what types of income are being paid out. Be mindful of your process this year because with CRS 2.0, that can change with new reporting requirements coming for transactions starting next year.
Yeah, definitely. Great point. Missing a deadline or misreporting can lead to heavy fines, and those are going to grow with that new CRS 2.0 legislation. That's why accuracy and timeliness are critical. With the clock ticking, now's the time to double check your reporting processes. Good luck making this CRS season your smoothest yet.